In this video, I will show you how to add powerful toggle feature, or touch bar for your Android phone to control Bluetooth, auto rotation, brightness, music level or ring mode. Additionally, touch bar integrates a Google search button and allows the user to control music playback. Touch bar for Android is a bottom bar inspired from Apple MacBook Pro. Touch bar is a MacBook exclusive feature that provides users access to quick toggles for controlling various system settings. The method is quite simple and easy, and you just need to go to Play Store and install Touch Bar for Android. And follow some of the simple steps as in this video. Now open the application and you need to grant the 3 permissions. Overlay, right system settings, do not disturb access. Now you need to enable the Activate Touch Bar option. This will activate the touch bar on Android. That's it, you are done. You can further customize the touch bar on your Android as per your wish. You can change bar background, buttons background, adjust the length, height, add custom shortcuts to the touch bar. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.